Hey everyone! Today I'm taking a quick look at the Coolizi cooling ace and answering the big question, does it actually keep you cool or is it just another gimmick? So I've been testing this thing in a pretty typical setup. Warm room, no aircon, just normal fan conditions. The idea behind the cooling ace is simple. It pulls in warm air, runs it through a water-based cooling system, and pushes out cooler, more comfortable air. On paper, that sounds great. In real use, the cooling effect is noticeable, but not dramatic. You're not going to turn a hot room into a winter chill zone. What you do get is a more comfortable breeze that feels cooler than a regular fan, especially if you're sitting close to it. The closer you are, the better it performs. Build quality is lightweight and portable, which is nice if you want to move it between rooms or use it at a desk. It's also fairly quiet, which surprised me, but here's the honest part. It works best as a personal cooling device, not a room cooler. So overall, the Coolizi Cooling Ace does help you feel cooler, just don't expect miracles. It's decent for what it is, but it's not a replacement for proper air conditioning.